Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about Zilliqa friends. What's the current price of Zilliqa? What's the price change goes at this time in Zilliqa? In this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And what is the best decision for all of you at this time friends, as it the best time to buy, sell or hold Zilliqa coin? In this video I will show you on the basis of technical analysis friends. So keep watch this video friends. And friends, make sure to subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I'm asking over and over that please click the subscribe button friends, because I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies, which is very necessary for all of you friends. Now anyways, let's start the video friends. Currently if we talk about the current price of the Zilliqa coin, 0.22038 USD dollar is the currently price of Zilliqa friends. And if we talk about the price change occurring in Zilliqa coin, so the price change going very good. Last 1 hour chain is positive, last 1 day chain is positive, last 1 week chain is also positive friends. That's mean that only jumps occur in Zilliqa coin friends. And now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Zilliqa coin. Oh my god, they goes upward friends, like a rocket friends. As you can see here on the chart, they goes upward very highly friends. The quick change occur in Zilliqa coin. Oh my god, good news for all Zilliqa coin holders, congratulations. If we look the last 1 day price change occur in Zilliqa, so the price change is about 7.7% positive change occur in Zilliqa coin, and the highest price of Zilliqa is about 0.22202 USD dollar is the highest price of Zilliqa friends. Now friends, what should you do at this time friends, as the best time to buy, sell or hold friends? As you can see here, the both changes, if we look the last 1 day change is positive, you are in the profit friends at this time friends. So what is how you can make a decision on this time friends? If you are a short term investor, so I think it's the best time to sell your coin friends. And if you're a long-term investor, so I think it's time to hold your coin, because as you know, it is a continuously jump of Zilliqa coin friends, and I hope this jump continues till the last of this one friends. So I think if you're a long-term investor, so please hold your coin this time friends, and if you're a short-term, so please sell your coin in this time friends and take your profit and go away from the market friends. What's your opinion about Zilliqa? Please share in the comment box friends, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.